Hello everyone and welcome back to Seriously Play YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be fun and informative because we have some amazing makeup product suggestions. If you are the type of person who likes to wear makeups but still keep their saving in checks, then this video is for you. Today we are talking all things about Rimmel. I'm sure you all have heard about this brand before. Rimmel is a UK-based makeup brand that offers a wide range of affordable products. Its products are super long-lasting and they come in a variety of shades to choose from. Rimmel is now approved under the cruelty-free International Leaping Bunny program, meaning they are 100% cruelty-free. Apart from this, their newest line called Kind & Free is vegan and contains products that are kind to the skin. So in a way, you're not just doing makeup, but looking after your skin as well. Now, let's get into the product details that you can use to achieve a full face grunt using only Rimmel products. Start your makeup off by prepping your skin using Rimmel Lasting Matte Primer, which retails for RM25.52. It is a very lightweight product that will instantly mattify your skin and give you a smooth base to apply the rest of your makeup. The benefit of this primer is that since it is oil-free, it can be worn alone as well to prevent your skin from getting shiny throughout the day. Next up is my favorite part of makeup routine, foundation. Rimmel offers 5 different types of foundation base to choose from, and as mentioned earlier, you can find them in any shape. If you are a matte foundation person, then you are going to love the Rimmel Lasting Matte Foundation, which costs only RM32.31. Staying true to its name will give you a matte finish and not bulge your makeup throughout the day. This matte foundation is also a very good product for you makeup lovers out there who have the oiliest skin. Now, if matte isn't really your thing, and you try to opt for a more dewy base, then the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25 Hours Liquid Foundation costing RM33.52 and the Rimmel Match Perfection Foundation costing RM35 may be the perfect choice for you. Despite staying on your face for 25 hours as claimed on the bottle, this foundation will give you a dewy and glowy base that can suitable for those with dry skin. It will keep your skin hydrated while giving you a second skin-like finish. The 25-hour foundation claims to be transfer, rub and sweat proof with SPF 20. So you may want to go run the marathon if you want, but you can stay sure that you will finish the race looking fabulous. Up next, for those who do not like foundation, we present to you the Rimmel Kind & Free Moisturizing Skin Tint Foundation, retailing for RM39.92. As the name suggests, it is a tint rather than a foundation. It provides sheer, buildable coverage that will not feel heavy on your skin. A combination of vitamin E, provitamin B5 and aloe vera moisturizes the skin and promotes a supple, dewy appearance. The last option is for those who don't want all the hassle of blending. The Rimmel Lasting Finish Compact Powder Foundation priced at RM41.31. It will give you a powder-like smooth finish with the swipe of a brush. It regulates shine without leaving your face feeling dry. The fine powder blends effortlessly to offer medium, buildable, and all the natural looking coverage. It comes in a easy to carry compact package with pressed powder for quick touch up while traveling. Next up, let's move on to hiding those big dark bags under the eyes that have made an appearance due to lack of sleep. Use the Rimmel Kind & Free Concealer for RM25.52 or the Rimmel Multi-Tasker Concealer for 31 ringgit 92 cents to give yourself the flawless and bright under eye look. No more looking like a zombie while going to class or work. Now that we have talked about all our cream products, let's set that all in with the Rimmel cayenne-free pressed powder, which is sold at 31 ringgit 92 cents. Having a good powder is very crucial for setting your makeup, and this product does just that. It will seal your makeup and make your skin oil-free to prevent it from melting off at any point in the day. It is free from talc and fragrance, so you don't have to worry about your skin sensitivity. The next one is to add some color to your cheeks using the Rimmel Maxi Brush, selling at 26 ringgit. This will give you a warm brush of color and make your cheeks look full and supple. Let's move on to the brows now. Rimmel offers 3 types of brows pencil to choose from. Rimmel Brows Pro Micro 24 Hours Precision Stroke Pen for 27 ringgit 92 cents. Rimmel Brow Pro Micro Pencil for 27 ringgit 12 cents. And Rimmel BTW 2-in-1 FNF for 18 ringgit 54 cents. Use any of this product to fill your eyebrows and create small hair-like stroke to define and shape your eyebrows. For your eyes, use the Rimmel Exaggerate waterproof eyeliner for 17 ringgit 52 cents to create the effortless winged liner look. Despite being matte, this liner is said to be waterproof, smooth-proof, flake-proof, smell-proof, and run-proof. Put this on and stay worry-free about your eyes becoming dark and spotty. Finish off your eye makeup with a coat of Rimmel Scandal Eyes Wow Mascara, selling at 27 ringgit 92 cents. This mascara gives you an instant lift and volume to give your eyes a fuller look without making your eyelash all clumpy and gross. Lastly, tie up your entire look with a coat of your favorite color lipstick. If you like a more soft and comfortable finish, go for the Rimmel Lasting Finish Extreme Matte Lipstick, which retails for 25 ringgit 52 cents. Because this is a bullet lipstick, it is more comfortable on the lips despite being matte. If you are feeling like using liquid lip, opt for the Rimmel Stay Satin Liquid Lip, sold at 21 ringgit 52 cents. This will give you a vibrant dose of color with a matte finish that will not smudge during the day. However, if you want to take your makeup a little step further and more glam up, use the Rimmel Highlight Powder costing 45 ringgit 81 cents to add a touch of glitter and shine to your makeup. This buildable formula can be used daily for a sheer glow or at parties with a more shining glow. Makeup is a field that you can feel free to play with. Figure out what is best for your skin and stick to it. With that being said, keep our suggestion in mind to help you navigate the aisles of makeup in the stores you visit. All products mentioned can be found at any Guardian or Watson stores. Again, this is not a promotional video. We hope you enjoyed today's video as much as we love making it. Most importantly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I subscribe below. Thank you for watching. Don't take life so seriously. Have fun and play. And we are out.